Here with Concordia head baseball coach Jeremy Geitl, wrapping up the season with a doubleheader split against Nebraska Wesleyan today. First off, you always talk about the seniors that are leaving behind on senior day, and I know a couple of them had pretty good years with Gauze and Sturts, but talk about what you'll miss from those guys.
Well, I think you miss for Gauze and for Sturts, you miss their contribution on a daily basis, and they did a good job this year. That came up big in a lot of games for us. I know, just recently, Morningside game, Sturts won a complete game, or 8 2/3 of an inning against Morningside, got a win. I know Gauze had obviously the walk-off home run against Dakota West. This is some highlights of their year. Then you have Ellison and Chambers and Fosmo, who are all guys who are role players, and they all did their jobs. We asked them to do a certain role, and they all did that, and we're going to miss all 5 of them. And then you have Ethan Utek, a senior eligibility or academically, and he had a role this year too, and he fulfilled it well, and we're going to miss all 6 of those guys.
As far as what happened today, got off to a rough start in game 1, but kind of rebounded from that point on.
Yeah, it was a rough start. Sturts wasn't feeling quite right up there. I think he maybe, I just, watching his mannerisms and stuff like that, maybe he was trying to do too much early on, and he finally settled in a little bit, but it was unfortunate we got that far behind. And that's just kind of the way our season's been. Sometimes guys try to do too much, and you get less out of them. And so it's just, we're just glad that we were able to win the second one, come back, bounce back, and send the seniors out winners.
The great majority of the team are below seniors, so you look to have a lot of people back. Talk about kind of the optimism for next year. Obviously, have some key guys coming back.
Yeah, guys are returning. The biggest thing you hope for, and if they do return, is that they grow and they develop, and they're better next year than they are this year. So a guy comes in, hopefully we can work on some things that they need to work on, especially look at our bullpen, a lot of freshmen in there. So as sophomores, what can they do as sophomores and how they develop? So we're very optimistic about the future. We also got a good recruiting class so far, and a couple guys yet to sign. So we're very optimistic about the future. It's a matter of how can they capitalize on the lessons learned this year and move forward to next year.